Track 124.
Thanks for helping me, guys. But look, the photographers are waiting for me. You can see them there. I can't get back to my hotel.
It's okay, Jose. I've got an idea. You can wear some of my clothes and then leave the house from the back door.
Great idea. And I know you can wear my clothes and go out of the front door.
Of course.
Paolo, are there any clean clothes here for Jose to wear?
Joelle.
Sorry, I can see them now. There are lots of clean clothes here. OK, Jose, put on these jeans and this red t-shirt. Then give your clothes to Paolo.
Wow, these clothes are great. I love the jacket. What do you think?
Yes, cool, Paolo. Now, put on these glasses and Jose's hat. There, you look great.
Jose, are you ready?
Yes, I think so.
Don't worry, Jose. You can have your clothes back tomorrow. OK, I think we're both ready. Let's go!
Track 125. A.
Dress.
B.
Jeans.
C.
Shoes.
D.
Skirt.
E.
Jacket.
F.
Trousers.
G.
Digital watch.
H.
Glasses.
I.
Shirt.
J.
T-shirt.
Track 126.
S.
Coats. Cakes.
Z.
Shoes. Jeans.
Is.
Watches. Dresses.
Track 127.
Addresses. Cinemas. Doctors. Drinks. Houses. Museums. Sandwiches. Sentences. Shirts. Shops. Skirts. Waiters.
Track 128.
S. Drinks. Shirts. Shops. Skirts. Z. Cinemas. Doctors. Museums. Waiters. Is. Addresses. Houses. Sandwiches. Sentences.
Track 129.
Freddie, look at this photo of me and my family. We're at the bus stop on our way to the carnival.
That's so funny. What great costumes you're all wearing. Are your parents there?
Yes, of course. Can't you see them?
I'm not sure. No, wait. Don't tell me. I know your mum's tall and slim. Is she the one wearing the red dress?
No, that's my aunt.
Ah. Is she wearing a long blue skirt and a white shirt? And has she got long dark hair?
That's right.
Yeah, I can see her. And what about your dad?
Don't ask. He's got a big red nose and red hair. He always chooses a terrible costume.
Oh dear. Yes, it's not good, is it? And who's the one wearing the red jacket? He looks great.
Has he got big ears or a big beard?
A big beard.
That's my uncle. I don't know who the other one is.